Welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. And yes, today's the quadruple witching. Yes, today is the bull moon. And what else is going on that I thought was important to mention? I believe it is our trading school. Yes, you can become a professional trader. All you have to do is go to cryptcourses.com and click on the link in the description below. You can sign up for free for 30 days and enjoy some of our trade setups and different indicators. Let's see of one that actually just played out. Aave to the short side, which I must have just deleted it. I think I did delete the ones that just played out. Neo, Link, DYDX, ENJ. ENJ. Okay, the trade is in. Courtesy of the guys over at Meta Signals, but here we go. 3 hour ENJ trade still valid. Okay, so we would have entered here, hit TP1, TP2, and TP3 is abroad in the distance here. And the big question is, can Bitcoin resist making another lower high on the hourly time frame? And this is one of the main areas of contention for battle is going to be this white 200 simple on the hourly. Once we can flip that around and make a higher high, higher low, I do imagine we get some kind of a bounce off of this area, which is the 618. If you look at the daily time frame and you do a nice little Fibonacci retracement tool from the candle body high to the low, your 618 area is coming in right in this area. And we did say, hey, if we lost this area, okay, next area down. I do believe there's going to be quite a few bidders coming in off the 618. The next value area added is going to be the 786 coming in at 61,000. Kind of your golden pocket zone somewhere in that region. Momentum is still, well, here's another sign for a bounce. We will cross up above 64,700. 64,700, that is the number to go. That is the number to get the rest of the party started. 64,730 we will cross up today. The daily momentum will cross up from a very low region. Now, are we below 10? No, we don't want to see this get below 10. If we do, market is trending and probably going to continue with the downside move. 10 is right here. Boom. So as long as the stochastic is there, we'll have massive hidden bullish divergence coming back from this area, and the stochastic, just curious here. Yes, you would have a few drives of stochastic divergence as well. PMARP is low. Anyways, long story short, if we do see the moving average curl back down here on the next closure, that'll be on the bull side, the bull case. But for right now, this seems to be another hourly short setup, and we did discuss that this over the past couple trading periods is shorting off that green 55. Despite that, as long as you're using the last kind of major high as your pivot point, as your emergency stop loss, right? You're winning every single time all the way down here, except maybe on this one. But overall, this does look like a test of the green 55. Momentum is still to the upside above 63,558. So we have 26 minutes to flip this bad boy around. And again, selling the green 55 on this with volatility kind of ticking up. I mean, this is kind of right in the middle of the road tracks here where we're going to get a reversal or not. Reversal or not is the question. Short term does look like it does want to play a bit down further. And that is my cue to get on out of here. I got to get going. Short one today. So again, 5-day volatility. 5-day did come down to the 21 as suspected. Volatility is still on the floor for the 5-day time frame. Daily already got its expansion, so is the move over is the question. And 3-day I just turned $140 into $1,300 over the last 2 weeks. Yes, it's possible in the land of cryptocurrency. My name is Chris Mitchell. I am the CEO of Crypt Courses, and I'm bringing you this video because I'm going to give you some really good information on how to buy, sell, and trade digital currency. Now, you've probably heard about a lot of people making a lot of money in crypto, but you don't feel safe or intelligent enough to make the investment. That's why I created Bitcoin 101, how to stack sats using technical analysis. It's the crypto trader's dream to starting your crypto journey. It's absolutely free. All you gotta do is click on the link in the description below and we will get you your free guide today. So you've seen the daily, the 2-day, and the 3-day all make it to their green 55. That is the question. Are we going to come down to that 786? Again, as long as we're holding 60,000. Going to remain with that bullish bias. Short-term trade setup. KNC, I did notice this one came into a value area and, looks like a decent opportunity here with an easy way to manage the risk. Again, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. The bake trade, the bake on the 8-hour looks pretty good. I don't know what bake's doing, if they're baking cookies or what do they got going in there. But I think I'm going to end it on that, guys. It has to be a short one today. Unfortunately, I got to pick up my daughter from school. So with that said, have yourself a blessed and highly favored weekend, and I will see you in the next one. I did have one more last question for Mr. Jim. He had a question about the inverted head and shoulders playing out on Bitcoin, and how does that compare to the alternate coins? And this still, everybody's talking about it, still has the potential for a massive inverted head and shoulders on the, you can see it on the 2-day time frame. We're coming in right at the buy zone. BBWP is below 20. At least it was on that tick. So close enough is close enough. If we can get back above 67,000, definitely, going to goose the odds in the favor of some kind of reversal back above 67,200. But really, so what is the inverted head and shoulders piece here? Here's your left shoulder. Here's your head. And the question is, how low does she go? And my persuasion is, as long as we don't close below this low on the daily time frame, the head and shoulder is valid. And it can be there. It can be there. And what is the measure move off of this inverted head and shoulders? It is, pretty high. I would say pretty high from here. We will be in a blue sky breakout after the halving, and that is what you want to see in order for the market to get bullish. We want to see a blue sky breakout after the halving with volume, right? So we want to see a big volume spike similarly to, we just want it to turn bright green. Essentially, bright green candles, and we're happy. But, long consolidation period. We're almost 100 days in. And do we have the right volume signature? Yep, volume spike here. Volume spike here. And what we want to see is the selling volume diminish and the buying volume increase, and that would be a good indicator that, hey, we're going to head back up. We also want to see the 5-day momentum cross back up. We're currently crossed down, so pressure is on to the downside, which does give me, even if we do bounce short term, which is what I'm thinking is going to happen here, based on the hourly bullish divergence, and the fact that the hourly does like to come back and test this area. Momentum is still to the upside as long as we're above 63,555, which is significantly lower. But I would bank on a little more upside here from this party, and With that, I'm going to leave. I got to get going, guys. Have yourself a blessed and highly favored rest of your weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.